Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be working on the CLK320 here and we'll show you how to remove and replace third brake light. Okay, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. If you have the convertible or the coupe, it should be the same procedure. We'll have more than 100 videos on this model, so if you have one, please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. And this is the ZHP that we're building on World Mechanics. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. Build is going great. Okay, so in order to get to the third brake light, okay, right here, what we will need to do, we need to open the trunk lid, okay, and we need to remove a few clips. Okay, what you do, you pull the centerpiece out, okay, and then you can pull the whole clip. So we need to go ahead, okay, remove those, so you can see how many we have now. Okay, here you have to be careful. This is the sensor that detects if the trunk is open or closed. You don't need to remove the bottom ones, you can just leave it like that if you need to. Alright guys, so this thing comes in three different pieces, that third brake light. The outer is the glass right here, okay? You have a middle piece and then you have the LEDs. So we'll have the whole procedure now, we'll cover everything. Stay with us. First we'll remove the LEDs. So what you need to do, right here there is a few clips, okay? That you need to pry. Okay, like that. Let me show you. Those are the clips, super limited room. And now we need to remove the wire. Okay, and this wire. Okay, you need to pry it like that. Trying to do my best here to get a good video. Okay, like that, it's gonna come out. You can see there is one thing holding right here. That's what was preventing us from coming out. And this is the LED. This is actually the brake light LED right here. But if yours works and you need to remove only the glass, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now as well. So right here, as you can see, there is, let me show you now good before we start. Okay, there is a few plastic clips. It's two of them pairs, so you need to get small pliers. Okay, push on both of them and push out, but be careful not to break the glass. You don't need to push too much out, a little bit at a time, each clip. Okay, this one is still holding right here, so we need to come back to this one. You have to have patience to do that. Okay, this one came out now. Okay, this one there as well. Okay, now there is two of them right here in the middle, so don't push too much because you need to get all of them at the same time or you might break the light. Okay, this one is still holding here, so you have to have crazy patience for that stuff. Okay, this one came loose. That's good. Now we need to switch to this one. And one more right here. Okay, this one is a little bit tight. Okay, now you can just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, you can see this is the glass part right here. Next, if you need to remove the centerpiece right here, there is 1, 2, 3 screws with a Phillips screwdriver that you need to remove. So with a small Phillips screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and remove the screws now. Okay, make sure it doesn't drop. Preferably hold it with one hand underneath. Second one, and then we have only one more. Okay. Right there. now you can open the trunk lid actually, and you pull it out. Okay, that's the whole assembly now of the third brake light, guys. So you can see it's a little bit complicated. You put it in reverse order that way to get apart, we put everything together. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.